The Food Service Exchange presents.
Menu enhancement is one of the most active areas of food service today. Many of your clients often require new menu items. They are always searching to have more customers and to have their existing customers visit more frequently. Freshening up the menu is one way to do this. EQUIPEX movable top salamanders are the chef's choice for fine dining restaurants, hotels, and even fast casual food concepts. Instead of using a traditional box-style salamander with its difficult-to-adjust cooking shelf, the EQUIPEX user-friendly movable top salamander brings the heat to the food in an infinitely adjustable manner with minimum effort. Offering a choice of different styles of infrared heat, the movable top salamanders can be freestanding, wall-mounted, or installed as part of a range battery or cooking suite. With its sleek and attractive design, the salamanders are ideally suited for open kitchen designs. There are 3 styles of salamanders to choose from at EQUIPEX. For traditional time-tested quartz infrared models, choose the original salamanders, which can reach temperatures up to 630 degrees Fahrenheit and are already being used in many fine dining restaurants. For higher temperatures of 725 to 1050 degrees Fahrenheit, choose recently added vitroceramic infrared models. These models also feature easy-to-clean vitroceramic glass, an instant-on plate bumper, and an infinite power setting, allowing more precision. Another option of the vitroceramic model comes with electronic controls and a digital countdown timer for even more heat precision. With this model, preheat time is reduced with the 30% standby option. All models have a pull-out bottom shelf to remove plates easily. Fine dining chefs worldwide view the EQUIPEX salamanders as a signature product for their kitchens. As a true chef's favorite, it is perfect for finishing amazing culinary creations, broiling seafood or meats, melting, or even reheating. The salamanders are available in 24-inch or 32-inch widths, with either 2 or 3 cooking zones. An optional wall mounting kit is available. Either 1-inch or 4-inch high adjustable legs are perfect for even leveling. EQUIPEX salamanders come in only 208 to 40 volts for higher power. Join the club of prominent EQUIPEX salamander users such as 3 Michelin-starred chefs Curtis Duffy and Grant Achatz, Bocuse d'Or medal winner Angus McIntosh Jr., and many other celebrated chefs including Dan Barber, Jean-Georges Van Gerichten, and Joel Robuchon, just to name a few. They all feature EQUIPEX salamanders in their well-known kitchens. Every Iron Chef and Challenger has also used an EQUIPEX salamander in Kitchen Stadium on Iron Chef America. A movable top salamander can be used for a range of purposes in a busy kitchen. As the video on the left shows, a salamander can be height adjusted with precision in order to caramelize, glaze, or finish dishes, as well as superheat plates in seconds when oven space is valuable. The Instant On bumper feature allows for plate detection and rapid heating. Once the plate is removed, the heating elements are turned off. Shown in the video is a 2 heating zone salamander, which can help you contain excess heat in the kitchen. The height of the movable top controls the intensity of heat reaching the food, which means anything from heating plates to broiling a lobster to caramelizing creme brulee can all be done easily and quickly with precise control. Many chefs have an open kitchen design and love their movable top salamanders not only for their functionality, but also for their aesthetically pleasing appeal. The fixed top salamander is another option when a movable top salamander is not necessary. It utilizes quartz infrared heating elements and is ideal for consistent melting or finishing results. The intermediate shelf is adjustable, while the bottom pull-out shelf can be used to keep foods warm. The 32-inch wide unit can be countertop, wall, or range mounted. Mediterranean, Italian, and Mexican foods are just a few examples of where the fixed top salamander can be used most efficiently. With top and bottom heat, EQUIPEX toaster ovens feature high-powered quartz infrared heating elements and pull-out shelves. These toaster ovens come in either single or double shelf models. The 24-inch wide models come only in 208 to 40 volts and are perfect for high-capacity broiling and reheating. Whether used for pastries, sandwiches, casseroles, or soups, These ovens can be located on the counter or even a wall shelf. The chef selects which zones or elements are active. A 15-minute timer adds cooking control, and the two-shelf model has a removable baffle to trap heat on the top shelf for added menu flexibility. The Bar 100 and Bar 200 models are the popular commercial toaster ovens in either convenient plug-and-play 120 volts or 208-240 volts, single or double shelf. These 18-inch wide toaster ovens utilize top and bottom quartz infrared heat, separately controlled. They are suitable for almost any location that needs a compact, high-powered toaster oven. Bagels, muffins, croissants, and scones are just some of the baked goods that heat well in the toaster ovens. Open-faced sandwiches are another popular item for which these toasters are typically used. Also, national chains such as Benihana and Raw Sushi have used these toaster ovens for finishing sushi like hamachi and eel skin. The two-shelf model offers all the advantages of the single-shelf toaster oven with double the capacity. Also available in 120 volts or 208-240 volts, each shelf is separately controllable with top and bottom heat. All models can be placed on the countertop or conveniently located on a wall shelf, freeing up more countertop space. Both models are equipped with a 15-minute timer or continuous mode for convenient operation. Need a toaster oven for your office kitchen or break rooms? United and American Airlines, just to name a few large users, selected the EQUIPEX toaster ovens worldwide for that purpose. Our products are assembled in the United States. EQUIPEX has over 20 years of experience in the food service solutions industry, and we are happy to answer any questions you may have. Please visit www.equipex.com for more information.